What is your language? Ano ang iyong lingwahe? Tagalog is my language. Tagalog ang aking lingwahe. Where are you from? Taga saan ka? I'm from Philippines. Taga Pilipinas ako. How many languages do you have in your country? Ilang lingwahe mayroon sa inyong bansa? Oh, I'm not sure, but we got more than 100 languages. Hindi ako sigurado pero mayroon kaming higit 100 lingwahe. Oh, I see. That's a lot. Talaga? Madami nga. Yeah, I think so. Oo, sa tingin ko nga. How about you? Would you like to learn new language? Ikaw, gusto mo bang matuto ng bagong lingwahe? Yes, especially Tagalog. That's really interesting. Oo, lalo na Tagalog. Nakakaganyak yun. Besides, I'm working in the Philippines. I have to learn and speak the language. Isa pa, nagtatrabaho ako sa Pilipinas. Kailangan kong matuto at magsalita ng Tagalog. That's good. Just keep on practicing. Maganda yan. Patuloy ka lang sa pagsasanay. So, can you give me more advices so I could learn it as fast as I could? Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng mga payo para mas mabilis akong matuto? Sure, there are many ways to learn Tagalog. Oo ba, maraming paraan para matuto ng Tagalog. First, you can watch tutorials on how to pronounce the words. Una, pwede kang manood ng mga tutorial para matuto ng tamang pagbigkas. Second, try to use them with yourself. Talk to your friends using Tagalog. Pangalawa, subukan mong magsalita gamit ang Tagalog. Makipag-usap ka sa iyong mga kaibigan. Third, be with the people who are native speakers. The more you are exposed to them, the fastest way you learn. Pangatlo, makisalamuha ka sa mga nagsasalita ng Tagalog. Ang madalas sa pakikisalamuha ay nagpapabilis ng pagkatuto. Wow, as simple as that? That's great! Wow, ganun kasimple? Ang galing naman! Right. Remember, constant practice makes perfect. Tama, tandaan, ang kagalingan ay natatamo dahil sa patuloy na pagsasanay. I will always remember that. I can't wait to learn more. Lagi kong tatandaan yan. Hindi na ako makapaghintay na matuto. By the way, my friend and I will see each other this afternoon. Wanna meet her? She's good in Tagalog. Siya nga pala, magkikita kami ng kaibigan ko ngayong hapon. Gusto mo ba siyang makilala? Magaling siya mag-Tagalog. My pleasure. Maybe I can now apply your advices. Ikinalulugod ko, siguro pwede ko nang gawin ang mga payo mo. That's a great idea. For sure it'll be fun. Magandang ideya yan. Sigurado magiging masaya to. It will. By the way, thanks. Siyempre naman. Salamat nga pala. Never mind it. I'm your friend, right? Hayaan mo na yon. Kaibigan kita, hindi ba? I am. That's why I'm so thankful. I have a friend like you. Oo, kaya nga lubos ako nagpapasalamat. Mayroon akong kaibigan na kagaya mo. So, let's see each other this afternoon? Paano ba yan? Kita tayo mamayang hapon? Okay then, see you. Sige, kita tayo. Bye. Paalam. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.